Unit 4. Endangered Animals. Listening 4. Read and listen.
Polar bears. Polar bears are our biggest land predators, and they can look frightening. An adult male can weigh up to 600 kilograms and be 3 meters long. When a polar bear stands on 2 legs, it is taller than a man. Their habitat is snow and ice in cold northern countries like Alaska, Greenland and Canada. In winter, they travel across the frozen seas looking for prey. They eat seals and other animals, and they are excellent hunters. They have white fur, so it is difficult to see them in the snow. They have sharp, strong claws, which help them to catch and hold their prey. They also have long necks, small heads, and large, flat feet. This makes them very strong swimmers. Sadly, changes in climate mean that polar bears are now an endangered species. In places like Hudson Bay in Canada, temperatures have been getting warmer since 1950. This means that the sea has been freezing later every year, so the bears have less time to hunt on the ice. As a result, hungry bears go into towns looking for rubbish to eat. Conservationists have tried to keep the bears away from towns, but sometimes they have to catch them, as the bears can attack people when they are hungry. The bears are not killed. They are taken by helicopter far from the town, so that the animals can look for food in their normal habitat. Penguins. Penguins are birds, although they cannot fly. They are excellent swimmers because of their body shape and their wings, called flippers. They can dive deep into the sea to find prey. They eat krill, which are tiny sea animals, fish and squid. Their beaks are sharp, which helps them to catch prey, but also to fight. Penguin feathers are black on their backs and white on their fronts. In this way, they are camouflaged from their predators when they are swimming. Underwater predators like seals and sharks cannot see them very well against the light surface of the water. Flying predators like eagles find them difficult to see from the top against the dark ocean. There are different species of penguins living in different areas of the world, but almost all of them live in the southern hemisphere. Most penguin species have an extremely cold and icy habitat. They are one of the few animals that live in Antarctica. Like polar bears, penguins are becoming rare. This is partly due to climate change, but also due to water pollution killing their prey and oil spills from large ships. Other human activities are resulting in fewer penguins, including accidents with fishing nets and people collecting too many of their eggs. We must act carefully now to save penguins from becoming endangered.